Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another camping adventure. It is 4th of July weekend. We actually came out a little bit early. We wanted to try to get this spot before anyone else got it, and we got lucky. So let me show you around really quick before we get set up. And this is what we have to look forward to, right on the river. I don't know, we think it's an epic spot. You like it?
Yeah, it's really nice. I'm glad we got it.
So one of my previous videos, I showed you guys where I just recently bought a 3D printer. So I made this little cap that goes over your cans, your drinks. You can drink out of, and you can keep all the flies, mosquitoes, bugs out of it. So we bought like this kind of a scuttle thing. It's similar to it. And the description said it was portable. Well, yeah, I guess technically it is, but not so much like a real scuttle. Let me show you this beast of a pan. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge.
Comfortable, huh?
Yeah, pretty comfortable. Oh yeah.
Old people friendly.
We don't need to put the hammock out. We got this. Look at that. It's just epic. An epic view. Still need to take a couple things out of the front thing. Are you an aqua dog? Huh? Take a walk over here. Yeah, it's nice.
Sit there and take a bath.
Yeah, you can. She said you can sit in here and take a bath. Ooh, I bet you the water's cold. Oh. Oh yeah. You like this boy? Huh? I just love that view. It's just so awesome. You cold?
Yeah.
He likes it. Have to take some pictures later. We are in the Wenatchee National Forest. If any of you guys were wondering. Might be too high. No, I think it's good. Where is she?
What? Is this right?
Yeah, you got it open.
Ah!
That's probably why we need to stake it.
Okay. Here's one.
Well, no. We're going to go back a little further.
Okay, take me back.
Okay, so I think we pretty much have camp set up now. All in all, going camping, I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot of work. But once you get all set up, yeah, pretty much once you get everything set up, that's where the fun happens. You just take it easy. Like her. Taking it easy.
I'm on holiday.
She's on holiday.
Hairspray or something.
Oh, the river's right there. But you really can't get down to it.
Sissy.
Looks like she's smiling. You happy? Hey everyone, so we got back from our little nature hike along the river, came back, cooked dinner, and now we're gonna fire up the propane fire pit here to, she thinks there's something there, for some s'mores. So it's better over a campfire, but we can't have a campfire right now, so this is how we party.
Oh, cool. Actually puts out a lot of heat.
Yeah. So it's the first time actually using this little propane fire pit. Pretty warm, actually.
Yes, it is. You want one or two?
Just one. So we were actually talking earlier we might head out a day early. So we're thinking about leaving tomorrow, maybe tomorrow afternoon or so. That way we beat all the traffic going back. So might be better off. I think our next camping trip, we're going to probably look into a couple different variations. One maybe on a lake, maybe the ocean. May head out to the Pacific Ocean. If we don't do that, then we want to find something that has more like trails that we can go hiking in. So I know out on the Olympic Peninsula, there's quite a few areas over there, and they have several trails that you can go out. I'm sure they got trails around here, but we just don't have any way to access them unless we pretty much pack everything up and take everything with us. It is really nice being on the river. I slept so good last night because the head of the bed is facing the river, and so you can totally hear it inside. Look at that yummy goodness. Got the Reese's cup in there. Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
How many of these can you guys eat? I'm typically just at one. They're so sweet.
2.
She's 2. So how did you guys spend your 4th of July? You guys go camping? Pop fireworks around the house? Did you go to a fireworks show? Let us know in the comments.
It's melting the tarp.
Well, didn't think of that. Huh. Live and learn. It's melting the tarp underneath. Just so you know, don't ever burn a fire pit on a tarp. Hey, good morning. So we didn't really continue recording last night. I had a splitting headache, and so we kind of just called it in early. Went to bed. I think I'm coming down with, I guess, what they call a summer cold. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling great last night. So I don't know if you can tell in my voice where it's just all congested, stuffed up. But this morning we came out and I wasn't as wet as it was yesterday morning. So we've already enjoyed a cup of coffee and getting our day started. Not sure. We did decide that we're going to leave sometime today. Not sure when. So I think we're just going to pretty much slowly kind of pack everything up and get everything ready. But it was fun. We really liked this spot. The only bad thing about this spot is that there's so much traffic. Yesterday, back and forth, back and forth.
Holiday weekend.
Yeah. This time that we had the fire pit on the ground and not the tarp. Okay, well, that pretty much ends this camping trip. We are all packed up and ready to go. You ready to go home?
Ready.
Ready. The dogs are loaded up, so
See you next time.
we are all set. Thanks for watching. And if you like any of this content, like and subscribe, comment. Really appreciate it.